The Lost Key. Level 3. One sunny afternoon, Lily was playing in the park. She was running around, laughing with her friends. Suddenly, she stopped. She felt something in her pocket. It was her house key. But when she looked, the key was gone. "Oh no. Where is my key?" Lily said, looking around. She remembered that she had put it in her pocket before coming to the park. Maybe it fell out when I was playing. Lily started to search. She looked under the swing, behind the big tree, and even near the sandbox. But there was no key. Lily felt sad. She didn't want to go home without the key. Her parents would be worried if she lost it. Just then, Lily heard a sound. Something shiny was on the ground. She bent down and picked it up. It was her key. Lily smiled. She was so happy to find it. She put the key back in her pocket and said, "I'll be more careful next time." Vocabulary. Lost, when something cannot be found. Found, when you discover something you were looking for. Careful, thinking about what you do to avoid mistakes.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and push the notification bell. I can't wait to see you again soon.